First, twist off the cover of the bottle. Second, put the nozzle on the bottle. Third, according to the size of the gap, prepare the mouth of nozzle. Fourth, load the product into caulking gun. Fifth, in application, remove the space locks and excessive adhesive or loose foreign material from the grouty groove. Preferably use the vacuum cleaner for cleaning. 6. Use masking tapes along the tile edges for rough tiles before grouting. 7. Squeeze about 30 cm volume from the nozzle tip and discard. 8. Squeeze the grout into the tile groove. 9. Repeat the grouting if required. 10. Use a ball shape to press into the groove. 11. Remove the masking tape after finishing grouting.